Okay, this is amazing. Here I am in Horsington, Somerset, and I'm just at the site of what was an old mill. Isn't an old mill anymore, but I'm basically at the base of a really beautiful alder tree, and I have been advised to seek out alder. This is what I'm doing today, seeking out alder. And this tree is amazing. It has its feet right in the stream, and it's even got a hawthorn growing into it as part of it. Two beautiful bulls in the field, watching, thinking, what's she doing? How amazing. I circumvent the alder and just swapping the camera over and see if I can come right round. Thank you. Thank you, Spirit. This is amazing. Oh, that nearly went over the boot. That did go over the boot. Perfect. Thank you.